Hey, welcome to my channel. So you are here because you want to learn a programming language, but don't know which is the best for you. As there are so many programming languages, it's obviously confusing, but don't worry, I will clear all your doubts. So to choose a programming language, first question you should ask yourself is what you wanted to make, what you wanted to achieve. Let's say you wanted to be a game developer, or a website designer, or an app builder, or you find it interesting and just wanted to try it out. There are so many things that you can do with the programming skills, and some programming language like Python can do almost all the tasks listed above, but you need to remember, one programming language can't do all the work, or it may can, but it is not recommended. You need to use a particular programming language for a particular task. Like, if you wanted to be a game developer and make games, you can use Java or Python to make them, but they are not efficient or recommended to do so because they are not specialized for that task. Similarly, you can use C# to make games, but C# is not efficient to create an application. Similarly, every language is specialized in their one or more particular task, and you need to pick one which is efficient and made for the task you wanted to do. The programming language I recommend in 2022 are Java, Python, C++, C#, JavaScript, HTML and CSS. So now let's choose one which suits you the best, and is efficient for the task you wanted to do. If you are in collage and want to learn a programming language which can be good for your career but you are confused, I recommend you to learn either C++ or Python. Let's first talk about C++. It is an industry-level language and many application and game are made based on this language, so there are always going to be job opportunity and it can be used to do so many tasks, like to create operating system, games, web browser, GUI-based applications, banking application, compilers, database management software and so on. Some big application made with this language are Google Chrome, Firefox browser, Photoshop, Instagram, Facebook, and most of the popular AAA games like GTA, PUBG, Fortnite, are made with this language, but as this language is so efficient to do so many tasks, it is equally as complex and can be hard for beginners to learn, but if you manage to learn it, it can be so rewarding. Now let's talk about Python. It is one of the easiest language to learn and is very rewarding, as well as its popularity is increasing so much, and is now getting used to make so many new applications, so there are new job opportunity with it as well. And if you wanted to become a data scientist, this is the language you need to learn. Python is easy to learn and can be used for various purposes like automation, AI, data analysis, data visualization, software creation, web development and so on. Despite being so rewarding, it is the easiest language to learn and is very beginner friendly. Some popular application made with the use of this language are Dropbox, Spotify, Uber, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. Now you must be wondering why I included Facebook and Instagram in both examples. So the answer is that they are very complex application and is created with the use of multiple language like Java, C++, Python, PHP, Dlang, Haskell and so on. So if this is clear, let's move on to next topic. If you wanted to be a web developer, you need to learn HTML and CSS for the front-end development of the website. Front-end of the website means the visuals of the website that you see and interact with, and for the back-end development you should either choose JavaScript or Python. Now if you don't know what back-end of a website means, so in easy language, it basically means that everything that is happening at the back of the website, or at the server of the website. For example, let's say there is a search bar in the website like YouTube or Google, so you click on the search bar, type what you wanted to search and then enter. That's the front end, but when you press enter the search result came. That's done by backend, so it is basically thing which is happening under the hood. You need to program what happen when user press the search button or enter, like you need to code when user press enter, show them the search result. That's backend of the website. You code that using languages like JavaScript or Python. So I hope that it is clear, otherwise I am going to create a video explaining what is front-end and what is back-end. So let's get back to the topic. If you just wanted to do web development, you can use JavaScript, but if you also wanted to create application and other things, you can choose Python. Let's get on the next topic, app development. If want to make Android application, you can use Java, as it is one the best programming language out there for app development for Android, or you can use C++ or Python, but I recommend Java as it is easier to learn than C++, and a great tool known as Android Studio also uses Java to create Android application. If you don't understand what Android Studio is, I recommend you to try finding it yourself on Google, as it is a great practice. Because while learning programming, you are going to use Google a lot to find solution to the problems. And now to the last topic for game development. Now if you wanted to create game, you don't solely use programming language, you also use game engine, and the programming language is depend on which game engine you choose. You can either choose C++ or C# for game development. The most popular game engines are Unity and Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine uses C++ and is used to make AAA games. Like PUBG and Fortnite, most AAA companies use Unreal Engine and C++, but some uses their own game engine, which is most probably also based on C++, and on the other hand Unity uses C#, which is a much easier language to learn as compared to C++ and is more popular among indie developers, as it is much easier to work with. Some companies uses Unity too to create their game. Some games created using Unity and C# is Subnautica and Rust, and choosing a game engine is completely different topics as there is so many factor you need to keep in mind. I will probably make a video about Unity and Unreal Engine too, so if you wanted to become a game developer but still not confirmed which programming language to choose, stay tuned for that video. Now I think I gave you enough information to choose a programming language, so if this video is of any help, please make sure to like the video and you can subscribe for more awesome content like this. For now, bye bye.